Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and also in good health. Welcome to class 3. Today is our English class. So students, open your books and come on the page number 50. The name of the unit is Tom Sawyer Toe. Now let's have a reading. Tom Sawyer was unhappy. It was 7 o'clock on Monday. He wished he could stay at home, but there was nothing wrong with him. Suddenly he discovered something. One of his teeth was loose. He was about to start groaning. When he remembered something, if he complained about a bad tooth, his aunt would pull it out. That would hurt. No, that would not work. Then he found a sore toe, a good excuse. He lay in bed groaning loudly. Sid woke up. What's the matter, Tom? Oh, Sid, don't touch me, groaned Tom. Now come on the page number 51. What's the matter, Tom? I must call Auntie. Don't call anybody. It will all be over soon. But I must. Don't groan like that, Tom. It's terrible. I forgive you all the bad things you have done to me, Sid, said Tom, still groaning. Oh, Tom, Tom, please don't die. Sid ran downstairs and shouted, oh, Aunt Polly, Tom's dying. Dying. Yes, come quickly. Don't be silly, I don't believe it. But he ran upstairs with Sid and Mary close behind her. Tom, what's the matter with you? She said, Oh, Auntie, it's my sore toe, it's dead. Oh, Tom, what's a fright you gave me. Now stop this noise and get out of bed. Aunt Polly seemed dead and it hurt so much that I even forgot about my sore tooth, replied Tom. Your tooth? What's the matter with your tooth? It's loose and it hurts. Open your mouth and let me see, said his aunt. Yes, there's a loose one there, but you are not going to die because of that. Mary, get me a silk thread and a piece of coal from the kitchen fire. Oh, please, Auntie, don't pull it out. It doesn't hurt anymore. Please don't, Auntie. I don't want to stay at home from school. Now come on the page number 52. Oh, so that's why you were making such a noise. You thought you had been able to stay at home from school. You are a bad boy, Tom. By this time, Mary had returned. The old lady tied one end of the thread to Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost. She took the piece of hot coal and suddenly pushed it almost into the boy's face. Tom quickly pulled back his head, and now the tooth was out, hanging on the thread by the bedpost. Now I will tell you a short summary of this lesson. Tom Sawyer was unhappy on Monday morning because he did not want to go to school and wanted to stay home. He planned of something so that he may stay at home. One of his teeth was loose, but he was in this fear that his aunt may pull it out. He was lying in bed and crying loudly. He wanted someone to hear him. Soon Sid called Auntie Polly. Aunt Polly, she ran upstairs and asked about Tom's pain. He told her that his sore toe was hurting him. Aunt Polly told him to get out of bed. He hurriedly planned that his tooth was loose. Auntie Polly wanted a silk thread to tie it to Tom's loose tooth in order to take it out. Now Tom was fearful and he wanted to go to school. Aunt Polly tied one of the thread to Tom's tooth and the other to the bedpost. She brought a piece of hot coal near boy's face. When Tom jerked his face away, his tooth fell out. Now I will tell you the lesson. Tom सॉयर सोमवार की सुबह खुश न था क्योंकि वो स्कूल नहीं जाना चाहता था और घर पर रुकना चाहता था. इसने कुछ मंसूबा बनाया ताकि वो घर पर रुक सके. इसका एक दांत ढीला था लेकिन उसे डर था कि उसकी आंटी उसको निकाल देंगी. वो बिस्तर पर पड़ा हुआ था और चिल्ला रहा था. वो चाहता था कि कोई उसकी आवाज़ सुने. जल्द ही सिड ने आंटी पोले को बुलाया. वो सीढ़ियों से ऊपर आई और उन्होंने टॉम की तकलीफ़ के बारे में पूछा. इसने उन्हें बताया कि उसका सूजा हुआ अंगूठा उसे तकलीफ़ दे रहा था. आंटी पोले ने उसे बिस्तर से उतरने को कहा. उसने फ़ौरन मंसूबा बनाया कि इसका दांत भी टूटने वाला है. आंटी पोले रेशम का एक धागा लेना चाहती थी ताकि वो उसे टॉम के दांत के साथ बांध दें ताकि इसे निकाला जा सके। अब टॉम खौफज़दा था और स्कूल जाना चाहता था। आंटी पोले ने धागे के एक सिरे को टॉम के दांत के साथ बांधा और दूसरे बेड के साथ वो कोयले के एक टुकड़े को लड़के के चेहरे के पास ले गई। जब टॉम ने दूर होने के लिए अपने सर को झटका तो इस तरह इसका दांत भी खींचकर बाहर निकल आया। Right, dear students, I will tell you the difficult words and also their meanings. Number 1 is the groaning. Groaning means making noises in pain, sore, painful, cold, a hard black rock that can be burnt. Bedpost, a pillar-like support in a bed. Groaning, making noises in pain, painful, cold, a hard black rock that can be burnt. Bedpost, a pillar-like support in a bed. What sentences? Groaning, he was groaning loudly. Groaning, he was groaning loudly. Sore, she found a sore toe. Coal, I took a piece of coal from fire. Groaning, he was groaning loudly. Sore, she found a sore toe. Coal, I took a piece of coal from fire. Now come on the question answers of this unit. Why was Tom unhappy? Tom was unhappy on Monday morning because he did not want to go to school and wished to stay home. Why was Tom unhappy? Tom was unhappy on Monday morning because he did not want to go to school and wished to stay home. Question number 2. What was the matter with Tom's tooth? One of Tom Sawyer's teeth was loose. What was the matter with Tom's tooth? One of the Tom Sawyer's teeth was loose. Question number 3. Why did Aunt Polly want a silk thread? Aunt Polly wanted a silk thread to tie it to Tom Sawyer's loose tooth in order to take it out. Why did Aunt Polly want a silk thread? Aunt Polly wanted a silk thread to tie it to Tom Sawyer's loose tooth in order to take it out. Or you write on the words meaning, word sentences and question answers of this unit on your notebooks. Read them and also learn them. Hope you understand the story. If you have any confusion or any difficulty, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of yourself.